So today we are here with a Tesla, not mine, it's my neighbor's. And we have this package from EVBase.com, our wheel covers to replace the ones that come with the car. As you can see them there. They look okay, nothing wrong with them, but let's see these ones. Let's do the little unboxing here. Before I got the big box, I also got these covers for the middle of the wheel. I don't know if I'm gonna need to replace them too, but let's take a look. Oh, I see. This one doesn't have them, so you have to apply them here. So I would need them. And let's take a look just to place them. Here's the original one. We started removing it before. It's kind of a pretty strong hole. And we will need to take this off too. So the back part looks a little bit different. The clips, as you see, this one has two. This one here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are double in some parts. These are individual. So they will hold better. Let's see. Actually, these are for a bigger car. This must be for the Y or maybe the X. As you can see, they don't fit on this one. So we'll find another Tesla here in the neighborhood. There are plenty of them. So even though these are not for this car, I'm gonna start putting these covers for the center because they're gonna need it anyway. So let's see here. So here it is now. They're properly branded. They look nice, actually, I have to say. Let's compare these ones. Obviously these are more aggressive. So let's put all the other caps. And let's put this cover back on. So I'm here with another Tesla Model Y. I'm gonna try to see if these covers fit this one. They seem to be a little bit smaller, but let me try. These are actually solid wheels, so they don't have a cover. Look, this is the metal part, so no luck with this one either. So I am out driving this Volvo EX30, which ironically was supposed to be a Tesla Model Y killer. It didn't do it because the US government imposed 100% tariffs on cars imported from China. This car is made in China. So instead of being $35,000 as it was announced back in October of 2023, this one is now almost $50,000. But anyway, that's another story. I'm out driving this and looking for a Tesla Model Y where I can put these covers. I tried with an older Model Y, but that one has the fixed aluminum wheel, so this one don't fit, or actually those don't need a cover. So I'm gonna keep looking for it. Let's see if I get lucky. Here's another Model 3, but these covers are smaller too, so they don't fit either. So I finally found not one or two Tesla for these covers. These are 19, right?
This is the smaller one.
Well, I thought I had found a Tesla to fit the wheels, but they don't fit. This is 18-inch wheels and I need 19. So let's keep trying. So I haven't had any luck finding a car for these covers. So I came to this Tesla service center here in Miami. Let's see if I have any luck here finding one. They told me to park, reserve parking spot for free deliveries. Let me see. So I talked to the service manager and he allowed me to try this on the loaner cars. So this one has the solid wheel like my neighbors, so no match. This is Model 3, like way smaller, don't even try. Cybertruck, don't even try. Here's a Model Y, again with solid covers. Nothing. Model Y, solid covers again. And Model 3, so they don't have it here either. So this is a nice product, but very difficult to find a match for it. So I don't know what to do. This has a different solid cover. So I guess Tesla has made a basic wheel available mostly on the 18s, like this one, but you can see the problem with this. This will be helpful to protect that. So there's no car that needs this one. Same thing here. Wow, what a problem. Oh, I might get lucky here. I think this one might be the right one. Nope. From the distance it looked like it. It's even bigger. These are 20s. So yeah, very difficult to find a match for this particular wheel. No luck. I mean, I tried everything now, so I don't know what else to do. I don't know why all the lights are blinking here. That's another Tesla mystery. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the cars are blinking. So I am almost giving up on this. Same problem here. I mean, not a problem, but same thing. It doesn't match there. There's the solid wheel. Nothing. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna try to give this one to someone. I don't know what to do.